Hi, welcome to Diamond Custom Paint Shop. In this video, we're going to continue doing graphics on this custom painted hard hat. Now, this is a electrician's hard hat, so we're going to do some electrical themes on it. We're going to do some lightning bolts on it, some realistic ones, and then a big kind of lightning bolt on the side. I have these stencil pieces cut out with some electrical formulas we're going to kind of have in the background on the side. We'll end up adding a name to the front and a design on the back possibly. So the products we're going to be using today to pull this off is we're going to be using some candy black, candy blue, some white base coat, and some base coat binder or clear base coat. So yeah, we're still going to start off with doing a little fade blue in the background here. Then we'll add a couple of stencils in there, and then we'll just go from there. So let's get started. Now we're going to take candy blue and spray a light blue background on the side. I decided not to go with the little stencils I had, as it would make it too busy in the background. Now I'm going to take this paper towel and I'm going to tear it, and this will become a masking. We're going to do some clouds. Now we're going to take some white base coat and just lightly spray it along the edge of the paper towel where I tore it, and this will create the cloud effect. Now we're using white base coat, and we're just going to quickly register our lightning bolts. Now, still using the white base coat, we're going to pull back a little bit and just do a mist over our lightning bolts that we put down. Here I'm going to take the candy blue and I'm just going to go over the areas of white of the lightning bolts. Now we're just doing a light mist with the candy blue, really light over the top to blend everything in. back to the base coat white, doing some hot spots and highlights. Now we are taking the candy blue and lightly going over the white that we just laid down. Okay, well there it is. There's the lightning bolts. It's pretty fast and easy to do. You don't have to be too precise because it's lightning bolts. You just kind of, go jiggly with your airbrush and it'll all work out. You can't really make a mistake when you're doing lightning bolts, but you see at first I went over it with kind of a fine line white, went down, then I backed off and did a mist over each line. And then I went ahead and took my candy blue and kind of went over everything again. And then I went back with my white to do some highlights and really got in there and did some finer lines on it, did some, some hot spots here. And then in the end, went over it again one more time with some candy blue to kind of, blend it all in. And I kind of did the clouds up here, did some highlighted clouds. When the lightning's coming down, it's lighting up the clouds there. So yeah, it didn't turn out too bad. Like I said, a lot of this is going to be covered up with a lightning bolt here. So this is kind of the background. Yeah, so that's going to be next. I'm going to do a name on the front, the lightning bolt here. So stay tuned for those videos. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and give it a like. And then I'll see you on the next one.